To start a limited liability company, LLC, in Virginia, there are several steps that must be taken. The first step is to choose a name for the LLC, which must be distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. The name must also end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. The availability of the name can be checked on the Virginia official state website. If the preferred name is already taken, it is possible to file for a DBA, doing business as registration, which allows the LLC to do business under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. This can be an individual or a registered agent service. Using a registered agent service is often recommended, as it can handle complicated legal documents and requirements, and also provides a level of privacy, as the registered agent's name and address will be listed in the public record, rather than the LLC owners. Once a registered agent has been appointed, the next step is to file the Articles of Organization, which includes basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. This can be done on the Virginia official website, and there is a state filing fee of $100. After filing the Articles of Organization, an operating agreement should be created, which outlines how the business will be run, including the distribution of profits and the authority of members to bind the LLC to legal contracts. The next step is to obtain any necessary permits and licenses, which will depend on the industry and type of business. This can be done by searching for the specific permits and licenses required for the industry, and can also be assisted by a registered agent service. After obtaining the necessary permits and licenses, the LLC must comply with tax requirements, which includes filing annual reports, keeping accurate records, and conducting all business transactions through a business bank account. This will help to keep the LLC tax compliant and protect the owner's personal assets in case of a lawsuit. Finally, if the LLC plans to hire employees or file certain tax forms, an employer identification number, EIN, will be required. This can be obtained through the IRS website, using a legal service, such as a registered agent service, can help to make the process of starting an LLC easier and ensure that everything is done correctly. These services can assist with every step of the process, from filing the Articles of Organization to obtaining an EIN, and can also provide additional services, such as bookkeeping software and business insurance consultations. Starting an LLC in Virginia requires careful attention to detail and compliance with all relevant laws and regulations. By following these steps and seeking the assistance of a registered agent service if needed, it is possible to establish a successful and compliant LLC.